How to make group chat on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I am Rose to guide you to make group chats on Snapchat. So watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your Snapchat application on your device, and then when you sign in, you'll get access to the camera page of Snapchat. In order to make group chats, tap on the chat icon or the bottom at the bottom left corner of the screen. Here you will see the chat section. You have to select the new chat at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you will see new group at the underneath of two at the top of the screen. Here you can chat with up to 200 friends in one group. So select the new group name at the top of the screen. And here you can also select the friends whom you want to add as a friends on group chat. So you can easily select them and tap on chat with group at the bottom of the screen, and a new group chat will be successfully created on Snapchat. So that's all for today. Hope this video worked. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.